You guys are definitely in for a special treat because I'm back to do a special unboxing for our new Mani by Me. Each month you'll get 2 exclusive nail plates and they're only designed for our Mani by Me subscribers. So look at all of these beautiful concepts here. You'll also receive 2 early release stamping polishes. So the first one here, which is a super smooth Duochrome Daisy Yellow. And then this next one is called Saddle Up. It's a gorgeous blazing orange brown polish that embodies the feeling of gorgeous southwestern desert. So in each box you do get a surprise gift, and this month you will get an extra stamping plate. It has, a mix of western lifestyle designs with expressions, textured, and look at that lasso rope. And then you also have some really fun extras, like we gave you this really fun watermelon sticker, and you also get a free stamper and scraper for the first time you subscribe. I'm in love with this box for sure.